day. I'm Lisa Rowe and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 30, 2024. Acts of favoritism or corruption in the trucking of water to drought-affected areas will not be tolerated. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made that assertion in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. He has directed the National Water Commission (NWC) to establish a hotline and email address dedicated to receiving complaints on the matter.
And as soon as the complaints are brought to the attention of the NWC, we will pass them on to MOCA for investigations to be done to bring charges and prosecution against persons who have been identified in this regard. Madam Speaker, we take it very seriously. There should be no corruption or favoritism in the distribution of water.
Mr. Holness also addressed complaints about trucks being excluded from the delivery schedule because they have not been certified by the Ministry of Health, the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA), and the NWC. He insists that these systems being implemented by the government are to ensure that the highest standard of water quality is maintained for distribution.
It is a challenge, Madam Speaker, but I want the public to be assured that the government will not compromise its standards in the delivery of potable water through trucking. The public can have confidence that the water that they are getting is safe for human consumption.
The Prime Minister says more than $300 million is being spent to alleviate drought conditions facing Jamaicans. Government will be investing $20 million to expand the coverage of social protection programs and enhance their effectiveness. Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. made the announcement during his contribution to the 2024-2025 sectoral debate in Parliament Wednesday. Several initiatives are to be undertaken through the Social Protection for Increased Resilience and Opportunity (SPIRO) project.
One major activity under this project is the design and implementation of an integrated social protection information system, which will accelerate the transformation of the ministry's systems and significantly reduce processing time across all programs. The SPIRO project will also bolster employment services and labor market research tools.
The SPIRO project seeks to expand the social protection coverage in Jamaica, working in partnership with the World Bank. It will include the establishment of an unemployment insurance scheme, as well as measures to provide Jamaican workers with risk protection from economic and climate change shocks. 10,000 young people will be employed this year through the Ministry of Local Government's Youth Summer Employment Program, YSEP. Portfolio Minister Desmond McKenzie says the administration is broadening its intake capacity in response to the high demand for placement in the program. The participants will be deployed across various agencies in the local government ministry, allowing them to earn an income for the summer holidays.
They will be assigned to the Jamaica Fire Brigade, to the SDC, to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, to all state agencies, Madam Speaker. Never before in the history of Jamaica has any government in any one given time has offered so much in terms of employment to our young people. This is a progressive government.
The Youth Summer Employment Program was launched in 2017 to assist in combating youth unemployment island-wide. More than 40,000 young people have since benefited from the initiative. The government has entered an agreement with Carib Cement Company for the upgrading and reopening of the Rockfort Mineral Bath in Kingston. Carib Cement has obtained a 25-year lease to operate the site through an agreement with the Jamaica National Heritage Trust under the Ministry of Culture. The agreement was signed on May 24 for $57 million in upgrades over the next 5 years. Culture Minister Olivia Grange says targeted renovations will be completed within 3 to 6 months, which should make the facility available to the public shortly. The scope of work will include enhancement of the baths, installation of accessories, and the establishment of a robust security presence to ensure the health and safety of visitors. Minister Grange says the renovation will reposition the iconic Rockfort Mineral Bath among the list of culture, heritage, health and tourism attractions of the Greater Kingston and Port Royal area. This was endorsed by Minister with Responsibility for Information, Senator Dana Morris-Dixon, at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing.
This new mineral bath, the new and improved mineral bath, will join a growing catalogue of recreational spaces such as the Harmony Beach Park in St. James, the upcoming Resilience Park in Portmore, and Fort Rocky's 24/7 entertainment zone in Port Royal. So we really look forward to having the Rockfort Mineral Bath back on stream for our Jamaicans to enjoy.
Rockfort Mineral Bath is a national monument renowned for having healing properties. It has attracted Jamaicans and visitors to the country to take a dip in its healing stream. And finally, the Ministry of Education and Youth has reaffirmed its support for the continuation of CSEC and CAPE STEM-based subjects despite recent concerns about their potential discontinuation. The subjects are agricultural science, industrial technology, green engineering, and electrical and electronic engineering technology. Minister Favour Williams says the rumors surrounding the discontinuation of these subjects are premature.
I want to say to our principals and our students that the Ministry of Education and Youth understands the value of these subjects, especially in the light of the recent declaration of Jamaica as a STEM island.
She reveals that the ministry met with principals earlier this month and it was unanimously agreed to continue the subjects.
We will engage further with our principals to hear from them as to the support they will need. We will increase awareness of these subject areas under the STEM and TVET agendas and the value of the subjects to our national development and in advancing career opportunities. We will look also at increasing opportunities for career counseling for students to aid in their understanding of the potential for job opportunities in these areas.
Minister Williams was addressing this week's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. She added that her ministry would also convene with CXC and regional education ministers on June 4 to discuss the 4 subjects. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.